Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Radio, where we dive deep into the world of technology, exploring the latest innovations and tools that are shaping our future. Today, we're discussing something particularly fascinating, IronRDP, a collection of Rust crates that provides an implementation of the Microsoft Remote Desktop Protocol with a strong emphasis on security. So, whether you're a developer looking to optimize remote desktop connections, or just curious about what's happening in the tech landscape, this episode is for you. To kick things off, let's talk about what IronRDP actually offers. Imagine being able to connect to your desktop remotely, whether for work or play. It's pretty essential in today's world, isn't it? IronRDP makes this possible through secure, efficient coding, leveraging Rust's robust features to enhance performance and safety. Now, you might be wondering, what are Rust crates? Well, think of them like building blocks for developers. Each crate is a package that provides specific functionalities, which can then be combined to create more complex applications. And IronRDP uses this concept beautifully to create a solid and efficient remote desktop application. One of the standout features of IronRDP is its support for various video codecs like uncompressed raw bitmap and Microsoft's RemoteFX, which enhance video streaming quality. If you've ever experienced lag or poor visuals while remotely accessing a machine, you can appreciate how important this is. Constantly optimizing for performance can make or break your remote work experience, right? Speaking of optimization, I came across a really interesting example of how IronRDP can be implemented. There's a client known as IronRDP Client, which is a fully fledged RDP client built using these crates. The cool part? It utilizes non-blocking, asynchronous I/O, so it doesn't hog resources while it's running. Can you imagine running an RDP client that allows you to multitask without draining your system's resources? It really levels up the remote access game. Now let's dig a bit deeper. Some of our listeners might find themselves asking how they can leverage this tool efficiently. For instance, there's a basic example provided which allows you to create an RDP client in just a few hundred lines of code. I mean, that's a small fraction compared to what it would usually take. This example shows how to establish a connection, decode graphic updates, and even save output as a BMP image. Just picture that, the simplicity and power at your fingertips. However, when you're looking to boost your graphics while using IronRDP, you might be wondering how to enable RemoteFX on your server. Luckily, it's a straightforward process. With just a few PowerShell commands or some tweaks in the group policies, you can enhance your remote desktop experience significantly. Isn't it amazing how a few adjustments can lead to improvements in quality and performance? But what if you run into issues while using IronRDP? Finding the right support is crucial, and luckily there are resources available, an issue tracker for bugs, and even a discussion space on Matrix to connect with others in the community. It's great to know that you're not alone in this journey. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on a few key points. IronRDP represents a significant advancement in remote desktop technology, bringing together security, efficiency, and ease of use through Rust's powerful crates. Whether you're developing an application or just want a reliable way to access your machine from anywhere, IronRDP is something worth considering. Before we sign off, I leave you with this thought. With the world becoming increasingly interconnected, how do you envision the future of remote work evolving? Will tools like IronRDP redefine our everyday work experiences? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Radio. We hope you found today's discussion engaging and informative. Don't forget to